especially too, if you assemble furniture, you know that your body can get out of whack. There is stress in your neck, in your back, in your legs, in your knees, because of the constant bending over, and most of the assembly happens on the floor. You may have to stretch before you get started. Stop while you're working and stretch some more. And when you finish, stretch some more to keep from feeling discomfort in your back, in your neck, in your arms, in your legs, in your knees, because of the constant motion of bending over and pulling and reaching while you're on your knees, and your body just get out of whack. In some cases, the residents might have equipment around. Simply ask them, may I borrow there for a few minutes? And you borrow it. You gotta stand up, walk around, and move those arms. I found out that this helps relieve all of that tension. And perhaps get out and walk around. Not just inside, go outside. And let the sun hit you, and let breathe in that air. Stretch that back and come back and continue. To keep from being down there for a long period of time and not getting done fast, and you bent over and there's pain in your neck and pain in your back, this drill is a multi. It's a Black & Decker. You can use it straight or press a button and it folds into a gun shape. But having the right tools and preparing beforehand so this can be done speedily. Although you can't go real fast, it's only one screw at a time, but you're not sitting there with this little hex handle trying to turn very slowly to get the screw in. And you can put the attachments on the end of the drill and get it done quickly. And been very cautious not to damage the furniture. You don't want to put too much pressure on the screw just as long as you get it in. But you're going to have more quick turning repetitions with the drill. And you want to be standing over the equipment with your back in pain and your neck in pain and your knees hurting. And finally something soft to put your knees on that's going to bring along your own kneeling pattern. This one is foam. Foam is going to help with the impact of your knees, especially on a hard floor. If you're not on the carpet and you don't want to put your knees on a hard marble, you're asking for trouble. But having some foam to kneel on is going to help relieve the stress in your knees. One of the things that you can really use to get all that stress out of your back or your knees or your neck or your shoulders is this, the rebound. Not only do I jump on this, I can use it to hold for a few seconds, stretch out, and let go. My knees bent, back straight, hold it, stretch out, pull in, keeping your shoulders straight, and let go. You're going to relieve that stress in your shoulders, and in your neck, and your back. It's a simple rebound. You can use it.
man. I got some bad news.
What happened?
It's backwards.
What's backwards?
The goal is supposed to be facing that way.
Oh my goodness, you can't.
I didn't know. I didn't even notice. Because wasn't it?
I wasn't even ready.
See, I didn't notice when it was laying down, you know.
That's too much. Let me go ahead and hook this up and we can switch it around.
I can hold it.
I have assembled a lot of exercise equipment, and sometimes, once I finish, the resident comes out, and we both get a good workout. Just like that.
I got